guys, my name's REA Taz. Just a super quick install video today of the N-Star X Grip on a Dug. This is absolutely not a period correct piece, but as I've been using Dug for longer rides, I want to mount my phone to the handlebars so I can use navigation apps and have the phone handy in case I want to stop and take a few photographs for Instagram. The N-Star X Grip is a knockoff of the RAM mount X Grip, and in my opinion works just as well. I've had these on a number of different bikes and I've never had a phone hit the deck. I've never had one come loose. The only thing is that these little knobs can drop off, so I'd recommend just dropping a bit of glue on them so that they can't flick off and you lose them. In the box you get a number of different things, but I've pulled out everything that we need for this type of install. Get a little plastic saddle and a U-bolt, as well as this cast ball mount, and that literally sits there, goes there, and just a couple of 11mm night locks, which I'm just going to finger tight. And then we'll just nip up. Don't need to crush anything. It all fits really well. Just tight, and then a quarter turn. Tight, quarter turn. Holds that on super efficiently. Got the RAM mount style ball gripper. That just tightens on there. And then this literally just pops over there. You press that in, and then you can swivel that any way you like to get the angle that you wish. Or you can swivel it for landscape or portrait. Simple as that. The device itself holds any modern smartphone. This is a Samsung Galaxy S9. Click that on there, that on there, 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 and that literally holds it in. That's it. That is the install in real time. It's that simple, guys. There's the rider's perspective. Doesn't cover your idiot lights. Doesn't get in the way of your controls. You can use Google Maps, Geo Tracker, all those sorts of applications. Really, that's as simple as it gets. People ask me all the time on my other bikes, what mobile phone holder am I using? And this is it, the N-Star X Grip. Easily available, $35 on eBay. You can't go wrong. Go and grab one, guys. Till next time, my name's REA Taz. I'm out.